Oh my gosh, I love this stuff. I'm gonna leave this in my car. Hi you guys, and welcome back to our Beach Beauty Bar channel. Today I'm going to discuss the makeup brand NYX, or NYX as you call it. I was actually pleasantly surprised with some of their products. It's like essentially on the cheaper side. So you'd think, cheaper, like worse for my skin, but actually there's actually some pretty good stuff that actually won't clog your pores. So today I'm actually going to talk about 3 products. These are it. One of them I'm in love with. The other 2, I kind of like full coverage stuff, so this is more on the lighter side, but it's definitely also more on the affordable side. So if you guys want to keep watching and find out what I found out with NYX Cosmetics, keep watching. Alright you guys, so today is NYX Cosmetics, so with that being said, let's get started. So make sure you prepped your face with all your skincare products, and I also prepped my face with our Ultra UV Shade because I've been feeling a little dry lately, and SPF, you have to have it every day you guys, please, please, please. Sun damage is real, and you also don't want your pigmentation to get darker as well, so wear your SPF. So to get started, I wanted to try out NYX's Born to Glow Concealer. It looks like this. I can't, of course, try shades at the store or online, so we'll see how good this color is. And it has this little puffy ball at the end. I don't really like these because, to be honest, they're not very sanitary. But we're gonna give it a go anyways. Let's see if I did a good color. So I don't have any concealer on. I have some scars I want to cover up right here. Some on this side too. Let's just see how much coverage this stuff gives us. I'm just gonna put it everywhere. Let's put it everywhere. And I'm gonna go in with a stippling brush. I love these brushes. They are flat at the top and they really just blend everything in very well. I think I might have picked a little bit too white of a shade, but that's okay. Nothing a little bronzer can't fix. And this stuff feels very light, not very full coverage. So if you like stuff more on the lighter side, this is probably a concealer you'd really like. I like thick and heavy because if I want to cover something, I really want to cover something. But this is definitely more on the lighter side. And not too bad of a color. It is a little white, but that's okay. And you guys, make sure you clean your brushes. I haven't cleaned this one in a couple days, so just make sure that's something you're doing regularly so that you're not spreading bacteria all over your face. All right, you guys, so I do a little bit of a close-up. It did cover a decent amount of the scarring on my cheeks that I have. Overall, it's pretty light. It feels light, so if you like more of like a lighter coverage, this is a good concealer for you, and it's safe for your acne-prone skin. I always like to set my concealers, my foundations, whatever it is, with a good matte powder. For me, I'm more oily. If you are not oily, you will definitely want to go for more of like a translucent powder, and probably spritz your face afterwards, so it gives you that dewy look, not that cakey look. We're gonna do today NYX's Stay Matte but Not Flat powder foundation over the top to lock it all in. Super cute. Has a little mirror and everything. It does have these little sponges on the bottom. I really hate these. Bacteria purposes, you guys. You can't clean these. So I would just leave it in there just in case you're like going out and you want to like touch up a little bit. Other than that, don't use them. Use a nice clean brush. Mine isn't clean, so don't listen to me. I need to practice what I preach, so clean makeup brush all over. Oh, this is actually a little bit darker, so this actually evens out that color I picked. I do like this powder. It has more of a yellow undertone to it. We have other shades too, you guys, by the way. This one's also great for your acne-prone skin. I actually really like it. very light coverage. I don't feel too cakey, and it warmed me up a little bit. All right, last but not least is NYX's Bear With Me Setting Spray Mist Multitasking Spray. It has some really awesome ingredients in it. It says like cucumber, so that's hydrating. What else is it? Salicylic acid, so it also can help with your acne as well. What? There was one more. What was it? Aloe vera leaf juice. So I really like this. It's pretty simple. Nothing like crazy in the ingredients. So I'm gonna lock all this in. Oh my god, you guys, this smells so good. And so refreshing. Oh my gosh, I love this stuff. I'm gonna leave this in my car. I'm just gonna add more just cause. Oh my god, it smells amazing. It's probably my favorite product so far. NYX Bear With Me Set and Refresh. Alright you guys, so that's kind of the short and sweet little review for NYX. I couldn't have that much time in Ulta to search through all their products. Unfortunately, a lot of their stuff that they sell online, they don't have in store. So I would say about 50-50 with NYX like being bad and good for your acne prone skin. But if you do want the whole list of the PDF, if you're a NYX lover, you can get that, or you can also just get our Acne Safe makeup membership. It's $89 annually, and you get access to all of the makeup we've reviewed in the past, from like MAC to Urban Decay, Fenty, everything. There's a lot on there, and if you're a makeup lover like me, it's so worth it because you don't have to go through all of your ingredients wondering, oh my god, is this gonna make me break out? Oh my god, is this one gonna make me break out? Easy fix, it's all access there for you, and also you can request us to also review different makeup brands for you as well if there isn't one listed. So it has its perks, and if you're a makeup lover, it's 100% worth it. I hope you guys enjoyed my little NYX review today. I know I love definitely the setting spray. I'm going to use this every damn day because it smells like heaven. So thanks you guys for watching, and we will see you later. Bye.